It's a JAAAAG! Welcome to another episode of It's a JAAAG. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the keypad on my fob. As you can clearly see, the lock button has totally disappeared. And another problem this creates is that I have to really press it to get any contact on the circuit board to initiate the car to unlock and lock and so on. So I'm going to show you how to do this. In addition, I'm going to show you how to also replace the battery while we're in there. So first of all, what you need to do is get a flat bed screwdriver and just put it into this little hole here and just twist, and it should start coming undone like so. There we go. Don't need that bit, so we'll put that bit away. Then what we have to do is we need to, mine's rather chewed up here, as you can see, through opening and closing. So if you just get your, show you on the camera, screwdriver and put it into this little gap here and just lift up, and that will lift away. And that separates. So there's a circuit board with the screw on. So you want to undo this screw. Take the board away, and that exposes the battery. So I'll show you which battery you need. It is a DLCR 2032. Try and show you on the camera, it's very reflective. 2032 is the one you need. Just put that back in. There we go. Put the circuit board back on. Oops. Just screw it back down. So we'll put that to one side now. Okay. Now that's the old pad. I'm going to try and show you the difference between the old pad and the new ones. This is the new one, and that's the old one. If you see the nibs on the old one, they're very worn when the new one is fresh. So when I depress the button, these worn nibs aren't making contact with the circuit board, hence why I'm replacing it. So that simply lifts out, and that is absolutely horrible. Ooh, look at the state of that. Look how long that's been in. Ugh. Chuck that away. And you might want to just give that inside of that a clean as well. It's not too bad in there on mine. So just make sure you just give it a clean and just make sure you dry it out properly before you put everything back. So let's put the new pad in. There we go. Make sure the buttons go through. Get the case back on. Just show you before I do that. See the nibs on the cover? That will reduce the travel I'm the travel of the button, so I don't have to press it as hard anymore. Clip it back together. There we go. Make sure everything's seated properly. I think that's seated right now, I think. Yeah, that looks okay to me. Put it back together. And that's it. Looks lovely and new. Lovely. It's working lovely. I can see it from here. Easy to press now. So that's it. If you've got any questions, please ask. I'll be happy to help. And I'll thank you for watching again. Please like and subscribe.